Hey people of YouTube, so I just picked up this little engine project. It's domestic type F with a mudsucker pump on it. I have all the parts for the pump. It's going to be a fun restoration project. Got some major repairs to make to the pump castings. But I thought it'd be fun to see if the engine would run. I was told it did run. So let's see if it makes some noise. So the first thing I'm going to do is oil up the main bearings and the crankshaft and the connecting rod. Might as well, since it hasn't seen oil in a day or two. And oil up the side shaft. Because why not? I'll be taking this engine all apart anyways, because I hate the paint on it, and somebody painted the side shaft, so that needs to get all shined up. Fortunately for me, it was already wired up for a buzz coil, so I just had to hook up my battery with the switch on. Let's see if it has spark. And I'm not hearing any buzzing from the buzz coil. So upon further investigation, we have some sketchy wiring going on right in this area. And now I turn it over so this timer, if you can see that, makes contact. The buzz coil buzzes. So that means we should have spark. Guess next I'll have to hook up some gas. Okay, don't laugh, but it works. Water bottle, the hose stuck in it, gravity fed to the Lunkenheimer mixer. See if we get gas coming. All right, well, let's see if this thing makes some noise. Well, it did run, so the guy didn't lie. Not great though, but it did run. Come on, stay running. I readjusted this spring for the governor, so let's see what happens now. Got some blow by out of the exhaust valve here. I wonder what happened there. Oh, come on. So I cut about a 1/4 inch off this spring. See what that does. Still running too slow to pump water, but at least it's running. At least the flywheels run nice and true. I didn't want it to run too long with no water in the hopper. So I'll have to take it apart, clean the fuel tank, fix up the pump, repaint it all, and it'll be a nice little restoration project this winter. Please stay tuned for project updates. Hope you enjoyed this video.